Hi guys, so today we'll be unboxing the new Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra. So this version I got is from China, since the international version is really hard to get. So mostly the difference with the international and the China version is the international version got charger inside the box. Next is the MIUI version. Mostly they update first the China version, followed by international version. So from this box, okay, so you can see here, I got the 8 gig to 56 version with the processor of 888, supports LDAC and aptX HD or adaptive. It was also high-res audio, HDR10 Plus, set up by Harman Kardon Sound, Dolby Vision, wireless charging. Okay, so let's open it. Okay. So here you have the SIM pin. Okay, so they provide a nice casing, free one, but it doesn't really protect the camera. But at least they provide. Unlike some brands, they don't really provide any freebies at all. And next one are the documentation. And the phone. Sorry, because I already opened this one so that I can check if it's working or not. So I just wrap it back. Okay, so here's the phone. So this one came with a screen protector out of the box. I haven't applied, even though I bought a screen protector, but I haven't applied it. But the protector for the camera I already installed. So this one supports 120 times zoom. And what you see here on this part is actually a screen. So let's boot up this one. SIM tray, Type-C, your bottom firing speaker and the microphone. On this side is the power button. Camera. Okay. There. So this one. And the volume on top. Let's see here, it's three. Okay, there. Harman Kardon. And the IR blaster. Sound by Harman Kardon, another speaker, microphone. Okay, let's turn it on. So this one I already set up, like I mentioned, I opened already, so I can test it out if there's any problem with this item. Since I'm actually buying the phone myself, I'm not even getting support from any brands. Okay, let's unlock it. Okay, so like I mentioned, I already set up this one. So for this one, I'm using a Poco launcher. Since another one, just to inform you that China version doesn't support other launcher unless it was qualified or certified by them. So since Poco and Xiaomi are one company, so they allow the Poco launcher. So I'm using the Poco launcher. Okay, so for this one, so I updated it straight to 12.5.11. And like I said, the storage. Wait, I need to adjust the lighting. There you go. Okay. So as you can see here, 11 Ultra, 8 gig. Okay. So since yesterday they mentioned that they will release the MIUI 5.12. That's actually they call enhanced edition, which will improve a lot, especially the performance and the battery consumption of from 11 to 11 Pro. So I'm waiting for that update, but so far at the time I'm taking this video, I haven't received any. Okay, wait, I need to wake this up. Okay, where are you? The word display. Hey, why? Okay, wait. Let's see. Okay. So for this one, you can change to image, signature, or the clock. So let's go with the signature. So you can type here anything, then you just apply it. Why doesn't it respond? I think I need to check this one. Okay, for the camera. Okay, so the rear. Okay, I think I need to check the settings later, since I'm just doing some unboxing for this one and providing you some sample. So that's the rear camera, so you can do your selfie with this one. Since so far this is the highest DxO mark scoring for the camera as of now. Okay, so let's just preview some of the picture. Oh, and this one has really a lot of options. So I'll be showing you settings for this. See, got movie effects. So this is the one. So shutter. I won't go all with this. I'm just like giving you a preview for vlogging. The night mode, long exposure. Oh, I love this one. Light painting. Supermoon. Want to take picture of the moon itself. Okay, cloning. And more. So the good thing with this one, Xiaomi allows you to download some of the additional one. Since I already download most of the available, so those are mostly the things you can add with the camera. So battery life, so far I can say that it's really eating a lot if you're setting up for the 2K screen resolution. For the 2K screen resolution, and if you're actually adjusting everything at its best. So you see here, got this option and the refresh rate up to 120 Hertz. So far, installing Google Play Store to this phone is really easy. So not much difference from the international, only to the point that you cannot just choose other launcher unless they certify for it. But performance-wise and everything, this phone is really nice. So I'll be back with the camera review for this one. And thank you for watching, guys.